Hi, kindergarten! Again, this week you're going to see a lot of videos that don't have my face and don't have Mr. Malcolm's face. And that's because we're working on our balancing scales. But remember, all of you have a balancing scale, so if you want to get that out along with your Eureka math book, here is your video for today, for lesson 10.
Hi friends, and welcome to our lesson today. My name is Mrs. Hawkins, and today we are going to be comparing the weight of objects on a balanced scale. So let's go ahead and get started. All that you're going to need for the lesson today is this recording sheet. It's also going to be today's problem set that we are going to work on together as we do the lesson today. So go ahead if you need to and push pause and find this recording sheet and a writing utensil so that we can begin our lesson. So right now I have nothing on my balance. What do you notice about it? Yeah, and what do my friends say? It's even. It goes straight across and it is the same on both sides. So let's put a pencil on this side and a marker on this side. Which one is heavier? Go ahead and tell me what you think. The marker. How did you know that the marker is heavier? Yes, this side with the marker is lower. So now let's take this marker out and replace it with this glue stick. Which is heavier? The glue stick. How do you know that the glue stick is heavier? Yes, this side is again lower. Now I want to find something that is the same weight as my pencil. How would I know if it's the same weight? What would my balance look like? What do you think? I heard one of my friends say it would be the same on both sides. Yes, I would know something weighs the same as the pencil if the balance is even. It would look like this. So I'm going to take out the glue stick since I want to find something that's even with my pencil. And I'm going to put in this side 1 penny. Which is heavier, my 1 pencil or my 1 penny? The pencil is heavier because it is lower than my 1 penny. Let's add another penny to this side. Which is heavier? They are the same. Yes, our balance is even. You can see it's the same straight across. So my pencil is the same weight as, let's count our pennies again, 1, 2 pennies. So now let's show that on our recording sheet. So on our recording sheet, we want to draw that the pencil is as heavy as, do you remember how many pennies? Yes, 2 pennies. So let's draw that on our recording sheet. Let's draw a pencil. And I am not the best artist. I know you are way better than I am. So let's draw the best we can, the best pencil we can draw. And then let's write, it is as heavy as 2 pennies. So push pause if you need to and finish recording this section of your recording sheet. So this time, let's see how many pennies it's going to take to weigh the same as this marker. So I'm going to put my marker over here. And now let's start putting in pennies on this side until it's even. When you think it's even, yell, even! Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Is it even yet? Let's try one more penny. 4. What do you think? Is it even? Even! So let's record this now on our recording sheet. So on your recording sheet on this row, we're going to show that our marker, try to roll away, was the same weight as 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So again, do your best to draw a marker. It's okay if it isn't perfect. Mine's definitely not going to be perfect. We just do the best we can. So draw your marker. And our marker is as heavy as 4 pennies this time. So push pause if you need more time putting your marker on our recording sheet. This time, let's see how many pennies it's going to take to weigh the same as this glue stick. But before we do that, I want you to guess how many pennies you think it's going to take to weigh the same as this glue stick.
All right, kindergarten, we are going to stop the video here. But remember, you can fill out the rest of the recording sheet using your balance scale at home. If you want to measure how much a glue stick weighs, you can do that, but you can also use any other materials you have at home. I wonder how many pennies each thing weighs. We're excited to see your work. Great job, kindergarten.